Into the corner of Inwood and Lemmon. This is the Wells Fargo. That's the CVS. Okay, I gotta slow down. Don't be stupid. Don't fucking be stupid. Don't be stupid. I'm sliding in here. Just slowly. Gently sliding in here. Slowly sliding in here. I don't know why you're getting off when there's a drive-through, but okay. Guess maybe minimize the driving. I don't know. Like, let me get out in the cold and freeze my butt off and slide and fall on the concrete while I fucking get money out the ATM, and then somebody takes my fucking money. I decided to go back to the house to get my wallet. So now I'm doing the trip backwards. This guy's all in my... Hold on a second. Look at this fuck. He's all in this fucking lane. Yeah, so I decided to go get my wallet because I have cash. I'm not going to pull out more cash because I already have cash, and it'll give me an excuse to drive around more. So yeah. Now I'm going downhill on Inwood and going south on Inwood, back towards West Dallas. Lower my roll. Corner of Inwood and Maple. My old stomping grounds back in the day when I was in high school. Stop, baby stopper. Still going, but I'm gonna stop. There we go. Ah, they stood behind me. They're still sliding. What the fuck is wrong with you? They're fucking sliding all up on me. Yeah, they're fucking sliding. Alright, sorry about that. I had to give myself some space because there's an idiot behind me who was going really fast and was only like 10 feet behind me. I was going about 20. They were going about the same speed, but they almost hit me once. So I'm like, yeah, I'm just gonna get away from your dumbasses. The person that I went around to get around in front of, now they changed lanes too because they keep riding their ass. I don't know why. I don't know what's wrong. What the hell's wrong with this person? This guy's in two lanes. You see him? He's like in that lane and this lane. I don't know why he did that, but okay, now he's coming over and he got the window down. You have the window down. Alright, slippity slide right here. Why? Why do you have... They have their window down because they hadn't defrosted their car. They can barely see out there. They can't see out the bitch, so he's got his window down. Oh my god. They didn't want to wait to defrost the window, so they fucking just rolled the window down and made one small hole in the front of the car. All the other windows are iced over. Wow, that motherfucker just wants to crash. Jeez Louise. Wow. Okay. Alright. That's stupid, but okay. Now this time we're going to go over... We're going up Inwood, and it's going to turn into Hampton, so we're going, I guess, up the Hampton Bridge. So, alright. No, just, you're going to slide a little bit to the right. That's okay. Just keep going straight in the front. The back end. Oh fuck. Okay. No. You're fine. You're fine. No. I'm telling myself I'm fine. I'm not telling the car I'm fine. The car's. Yeah. No, you're good. You're good. Okay, that's downtown Dallas that way. That's towards Fort Worth that way. Right now we're on oh shit! Somebody swerved up ahead. We're on Hampton Bridge going southbound towards West Dallas. Oh yeah, I'm not making that turn. Well, you know what? I can make the turn. I can make the turn. Those are my last words. I can make that turn. Oh yeah, I'm making that turn. Fuck this. Yeah, death before death in this bitch. I'm making this turn. Might have to, what's that movie called? Fast and the Furious? Fast and the Furious, this bitch. I almost said Fist and the Furious. That's a whole different other movie. Alright, here we go. We're sliding into this little curve here. It's okay. It's alright. There's no cars coming. We're going back to Canada. Hey, somebody dropped their shoe. Alright, here we go, baby. Baby turn. There we go. No, straighten out the rear. Okay, there we go. That was a nice little boom. Jan's, man, that was a store to go back in the day. I used to go there all the time when I was in high school. And all of a sudden, they closed and they don't really open anymore. But they should sell that bitch, because that would be a perfect taco spot to sell tacos and shit. I wish they would sell it to me so I could sell tacos and shit. There we go. And they stopped? Are they stopped? Yeah, they're stopped. That's the bridge we just went up earlier. Westmoreland Bridge. Are you gonna go or not? I guess not. No one's gonna keep me down. West down. That's how we do it. I'm still in Canada. This dude's going fast. Probably going about 30. There's another McMansion being built. $350,000 house surrounded by $80,000 houses. We're right by the levee. And when I was younger or littler, it used to get full of snow, and we used to get cardboard and just slide down that bitch. Let it go, let it go. Another big mansion. Big mansion. Big mansion there. It's later on in the afternoon. I'm going down Westmoreland again. And it's almost damn near blizzard. I can only see, well, this is like a Texas blizzard, because, you know, when people normally get a blizzard up north, they can't see shit in front of them. To us, if we get a blizzard, we can't see like quarter mile down the street. That's a blizzard to us. So earlier when I was passing by like around 2 or 3, I could see all like through 2-3 miles down the road. Right now, I can barely see a quarter mile. It's just really bad. The wind's pretty strong. Everything's refreezing on the ground. And I'm trying to make it to Plano, which is about 35 miles from here. Going about 35 right now on 35, and I can feel the wind pushing me. As far as the drive, I think I'm lucky right now because there's a path right now on the freeway, if you can see it, but it's a little nerve-wracking, especially going up hills, but we'll see what happens.
Every sunrise is just for you. So come along and take my hand.
Luckily here there's no fucking ice going up this hill, but because I was like, fuck, I gotta step on it. What does it say? Accident 635 in Hillcrest blocked. Right lane blocked. Oh, okay. But I was the entrance from 35 north to 635, that was terrible. It was white. The street was white, and I can feel the rear starting to slide a little, and the guy in front of me started slowing down. I'm like, why would you slow down going uphill? You gotta fucking step on the gas, man. I never realized how big the uphill was on this freeway. This is all uphill. Luckily there's a path, but if this was all ice going at this speed, either you would slip out of control or you would slide backwards. With a rear wheel drive, I guarantee it, unless you have pretty good handling or something. But yeah, right now I'm just fighting to keep it at 30, even though the road is kind of paved, but it's still under control. I think everybody's slowing down up here. I don't know why, but at least we're up the hill. Oh, they're slowing because it's downhill now. There we go, I guess. Right now I'm on 635. Just past the In and Out Midway, I think. Yeah, I just passed Midway. There's the off-ramp that I was telling you about. You can't even see it. It's fucking white out condition. But yeah, I'm not doing that. Yeah, I'm just going straight to TI. I made it to TI Boulevard. The exit from 635, there was a lot of ice. So I got lucky because there were some uphills, and I reduced my speed down to like 10 miles an hour and got onto the ice side. But then there was a little bit like an uphill, and I was losing speed even though I was hitting the gas. So I quickly got into the left lane where the rest of the ice wasn't, and I was able to gain traction again as far as propulsion going forward. So now I'm going to take TI all the way to 75 and continue from there. Okay, I'm on 75. I just passed Arapaho, and there are some areas going on 75 north to Richardson that the freeway was just white. It was like a mirror with cocaine on it. It was just covered in white. It was ridiculous. I was probably going about 35. I didn't hit the brakes or nothing, but I went from 35 to about 15, not hitting the gas. It was just slowing down on its own. It was a little bit of an uphill, not too bad, But yeah, it wasn't fun. I'm about to hit 635 in George Bush right now, but so far there's a lot of fucking traffic. There's a lot more traffic than I thought there was gonna be, and everybody keeps going fast and around everybody. Everybody keeps trying to either pace each other or race each other. It's weird. I don't understand it. I guess nobody wants to be close to each other, so they pass each other. I get that, but it's like they'll get right on your butt and then they go around you. I'm like, go around you from a mile away. I made it to Plano from West Dallas in about an hour and almost an hour and 30 minutes. So I do not recommend doing that, but I did it, and so well, I did it so you don't have to. Comments, leave them, like, subscribe, share, everything. Love you, bye. Oh, and I'm in a 2002 Trailblazer, and she made it, no se rajó. Bye.